Welcome to the Good Times We Share. Today we're going to be sharing with you a very simple, tasty, and very economical rice recipe. This is going to be rice with red chicory. So chicory is a lettuce-like red or purple vegetable that has somewhat a bitter taste. So the first step to this recipe is you're going to cut half a medium-sized chicory, cut it into pieces like so, and set it aside. Take half a medium-sized onion and slice it into cubes and set it aside. If you do not have already made broth, you're going to get a liter of hot water, 1.5 cubes of vegetable broth, and then you're going to mix that up in the hot water until it melts and leave it over a medium heat stove. In a dry pan, you're going to fry a cup of rice for a minute or two. Using the same pan, you're going to add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil. Fry in your onions, and then you're going to add in your red chicory that you had cut earlier. Fry it up for about 3 minutes together, and then you're going to add in the rice. After you've added in the rice, you're going to fry it together for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're going to start adding in your vegetable broth that you had made earlier, ensuring that you maintain that broth hot on a very low heat stove. So this process is going to be continued until your rice is almost cooked or almost tender to the bite. So you keep mixing it up, especially if you're not using a non-stick pan or a non-stick pot. Make sure it does not stick at the bottom. So you keep mixing and keep adding in that broth. Throughout the cooking, you're going to continue using that broth to cook the rice until your rice is done. When it is almost cooked, you're then going to add in a knob of butter. Add in as much butter as you want, but making sure you do not add too much because you want to still have that great taste. You do not want the butter overpowering the taste of the chicory in there. So mix that up, add in another scoop of that broth and leave it to simmer for a bit. After that has simmered down, you're going to add in 3 tablespoons of grated cheese. You can add in more if you want. And as you let that simmer down, then you're going to be mixing it because you do not want it to stick to the bottom. As you do that, right now you can see the rice is cooked. The rice is amazing. So we hope you enjoy this recipe as much as we do. Buon appetito a tutti. Until next time, it's bye-bye.